Welcome to a set of questions on arc-tan or tan inverse combination. I hope with this video you will understand a great concept and you will be able to answer correctly similar questions all the time. Go through this video and understand the concepts. Feel free to write your comments also. Thanks for your time. Let's enjoy this journey of learning. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss two questions. Here is one of them. The other one is right there. So they look very similar. So we are discussing these two questions and their solutions. They are related to inverse trigonometric functions, exam practice. Let me tell you that most students are not very clear about how do we get the right answer for such a question. So here we are given D equals to r tan 2 plus r tan 3. We need to find the value of D. And here we are given C as r tan 1 over 3 minus r tan 2. Find the value of C. So the method is very similar for both of them. And let us solve and try to understand why the answers are different, even when we get the same result at the end, right? So very important question. So I hope you understand and appreciate it. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top simply because they have clear concepts. Perfect. So whenever you have a question like this, which is like given you something, you can take tan on both the sides. So you get tan C equals to tan of r tan 1 by 3 minus arc tan 2, right? Now, arc tan 1 by 3 or arc tan 2 will be some angle. So let's call them alpha and beta, right? So I could write this as tan of, let's say, alpha minus beta, right? And you know the formula, which is tan alpha minus tan beta over 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Now we know the values of tan alpha and beta because what we are saying is that alpha is equal to arc tan 1 over 3, right? So basically tan alpha is 1 by 3, and similarly we are saying beta is arc tan 2, so tan beta equals to 2, right? So we can substitute these values here. Alpha is 1 over 3 minus 2 over 1 plus 1 over 3 times 2, right? So now let's calculate this value. We get tan C equals to 1 minus 3 times 2, 6, right, over 3. Here we have 3 plus 2, right, over 3, correct. And that gives you 5 minus 5 over 5, which is minus 1. So we get tan C as minus 1. Now you know tan C is minus 1, so we could have solutions either in quadrant 2 or in 4, right? So either it is, you can have this as minus pi by 4, or you can have 3 pi by 4, right? So the problem here is to understand which is the right answer, correct? Okay, let's also see the solution of part we are calling at D. So once again, we do the same thing for this question, which is D equals to arctan 2 plus arctan 3. So tan D can be written as equal to, we can say, let's call this angle as gamma equals to arctan 2, right? So tan gamma is 2, right? And let's say the angle delta for arctan 3, so tan delta equals to 3. So we can write this as sum of gamma and delta, right? Makes sense? So applying the same formula, which is, tan gamma plus tan delta over 1 minus tan gamma tan delta, correct? Not an issue. So we have here 2 plus 3 over 1 minus 2 times 3, which is 5 over 1 minus 6, which is again minus 1. You see that? So once again, we have minus 1 with us, and we have tan D equals to minus 1. And now the same question. What is going to be D? Is it minus pi by 4 or is it 3 pi by 4? Both will give you minus 1. What is the right answer and why? That is what we need to understand. You get the idea. Perfect. Now here is the critical part. Now in this particular case, when we have arctan 2 plus arctan 3, the value of D is positive. See, this D is greater than 0, it's positive, and therefore we have D as equal to 3 pi by 4. Makes sense? But if you look into the previous case, we have the difference, right? Now here, the value of C is less than 0. It is negative, and therefore the value of C here is minus pi by 4. Do you get the idea? That is the reason, in spite of getting to a similar situation, we have different answers. And this is a question which can only be answered by those students whose concepts are absolutely clear. So I hope that helps, right? Great. So with that, we are going to end this video. You can watch some more from my playlist. Have a great day. Thank you.